You rang, Mr. Noisy?
Hello, Mr. Bounce. Is Miss Scary home? I happen to be going door to door with an incredible offer.
Well, yes, but she's unfortunately busy upstairs feeding her bats.
Well, perhaps she could come down for...
And then they must be washed and hung to dry.
Of course, but...
Who is it down there?
1 minute. Bong bong. No, bong wee.
Well, who is it? Well, what does he want?
What do you want?
I'm going door to door selling...
Door? 1 moment, bong bong. Up the stairs. Wee.
What? Why would I want a door? This place is loaded with doors. Tell him no thanks.
Down we go. Bong bong. Down the stairs. Bong. Thank you, but she doesn't need a door.
No. I am going door to door selling this vacuum.
Vacuum?
Yes.
Got it. Bong bong. What a day I'm having. Up the stairs.
What did he say? What is he saying that my house is dirty? Tell him to go vacuum his own house.
Down we go. Bong bong, she says.
I don't want to vacuum her house. I want to sell her a vacuum. And what's more, she doesn't have to come downstairs because Mr. Noisy's super noisy vacuum cleaner can be heard in every part of the house.
And you're scaring my bats. What's all the racket down there?
That, Miss Scary, is Mr. Noisy's super noisy vacuum cleaner. The noisiest vacuum cleaner you can buy. I'm here to sell you this fine product.
Well, why didn't anybody say so? I always come downstairs for salesmen. To scare them. Don't I, my little baby?
I think it's quite all right. I think that that was a big chicken, though.
I was talking to the buffalo.